Hi from Madrid, guys. I'm Fernando with Gogo España. I'm in the International Student Coordinator, and in case you didn't know about us, Gogo España is a free service that helps students all over the world willing to study Spanish in Spain. We provide free support with the school application, getting the student visa, finding accommodation, and answering to all the questions you may have about living and studying in Spain. Today, we're going to explain how to apply for a student visa to study in Spain. If you want to study in Spain for more than 90 days, you're going to need a student visa unless you're a citizen of the European Union, any EEA country, or Switzerland. To apply for a student visa, you need to go to the closest Spanish embassy or consulate in your home. Unfortunately, it's not possible to apply directly from Spain or in any other institution, but we can provide you with a list of all the Spanish embassies and consulates. It's important that you know when to apply. Depending on the embassy, the student visa can take up to 5 weeks, so we strongly recommend you to apply between 3 and 2 months prior to the beginning of the course to make sure that you will get your student visa on time. Go to the embassy, fill out the official application form called Application for a National Visa in English or Spanish, and remember to check studies on main purpose of journey. What else do you need? The documents can slightly vary depending from the country you apply from. But the most important documents and requirements that they always ask for are proof of funds, travel insurance, letter of acceptance from the school, and also proof of accommodation in Spain. You don't need to worry about the letter of acceptance because we can provide it to you when you apply, and we will also help you find accommodation if you need to. In case you're going to stay for more than 180 days, they will also ask for medical certificate and police clearance certificate. There are some things you need to keep in mind. Student visas for up to 180 days cannot be renewed, so if you want to stay for a long time with your student visa, you should join a long-term course. If you applied for a student visa for more than 180 days, you need to apply for a student resident card within 1 month after the date of arrival at the nearest foreigner's office. We'll explain how to apply in future videos, so don't worry about it. Even if your course lasts 2 years, you will be allowed to stay in Spain for a maximum of 1 year. But once in Spain, your permission can be easily extended within 60 days before the visa expires. You also need to know that it's possible to work part-time with a student visa in Spain, but your working hours must not interfere with your school hours. You will need a work permit that you can apply for at the nearest foreigner's office. You will be happy to know that with a Spanish student visa, you can travel freely between European Union countries. Fortunately, citizens from some countries don't need a visa to study in Spain for less than 90 days. For example, passport holders from the USA, Australia, or Canada can just come, learn Spanish, and have fun. In case you are a citizen from a country with no visa-free entry agreement with Spain, you would have to apply for a Schengen Visa, also at the embassy or consulate closest to your home. But don't worry, the application process is very easy. If you want to know if your country is on the list, you can contact us and we will provide that information. Please note that all this information and requirements can change anytime, but in Gogo España we're always up to date. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want us to make a video about any specific topic or something that you would like to know related to Spain, please leave a comment. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us through our website gogoespana.com or send us an email to info@gogoespana.com. Hasta luego!